Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. I've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Monday, but it's actually technically my Sunday since I go back to work tomorrow. So I figured today would be the perfect day to finally dive in and take some time to like clean up my house, since I've actually been living here for like a couple weeks now and I haven't had like an official house cleaning day because I've just been too busy setting up, organizing, putting stuff away. You know, I think it's time that we actually do this. I've already started my laundry. We're gonna get all new sheets for the week, washing all the towels, put away all the dishes. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen now and just do like a good wipe down of all the countertops and things like that. Go through the fridge, see if there's anything that I need to dump, and then we're gonna take out the trash, all that stuff, because it's trash day tomorrow. So many responsibilities as a homeowner. It's so fun. I thought I would just take you guys along. I have unpacking to do, and I'm sure there's gonna be a little bit of organizing, and then we're gonna clean the floors, because the biggest change that I've noticed living here, I feel like two things. One, I've been killing ants like everywhere. I mean, I don't have like swarms of ants in here by any means, but it's summertime in Oregon and I feel like a lot of people have been dealing with this problem. I just find like random tiny ants crawling on the walls, so I have been trying to remove them from my house. So I've been doing a lot of bug killing. And then the other fun thing is that I've been doing tons of vacuuming. I went from 500 square feet to like 1,200 square feet, so there's a lot more surface area to clean. I'm really excited because this video is actually sponsored by Narwhal, and I'm going to be showing you guys the Narwhal Flow and how it helps me keep these floors clean, because I just feel like there's so much ground to cover and frankly I can't keep up with it anymore. That's why we have technology to help us out. It's gonna be a great time. Let's do a big wipe down. I need to like clean out the tray that all my dishes like dry on because it's looking kind of gross too, so we're just gonna get it all done.
Stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, cause I see more.
All right, you guys, we are going through the fridge and I noticed that I have like all these sauces starting to pile up, and one of them just like magically fell out of the fridge, and I had this happen before and it made a mess all over the ground. So we're gonna be smart and resourceful and we're gonna put these sauces in like a little container, because for some reason this door likes to just fly open. Much more organized. Maybe I'll do a different container in here for the butter, but for now I feel like that's fine. I really need to restock the fridge. I'm gonna go grocery shopping later today because it's just looking kind of sad in here. Little fruit bar. My dad always puts surprises in here like this dill pickle bitchin sauce. Super good. So this is like all my sauces right here. These I'm gonna bring to work, so I'm gonna put these in the go-go squeeze compartment. I feel like one of these went bad. This one's like really old hummus, so we're gonna toss that. This, we definitely need some more yogurt because I eat a lot of yogurt. I can also throw away and clean out some of this stuff because it's just old. So we're gonna do a little fridge purging, clean all this stuff out, because this is like time to be clean. Okay, glass. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. No, I need to order a new glass bin for them to take all my glass stuff, because for some reason I don't have one. Now here's the struggle of being a new homeowner. You have so much trash. My trash can's already full. Let's see if we can get this in here. Be able to squish it in. Almost there. Yeah, they'll probably take that out. It's okay if it's like a couple inches high. Cardboard, also very full, but I'm manageable. These are several big pieces of cardboard that I'm just slowly putting in my recycling bin. So it's just taking a little time to get everything recycled because I don't have a giant dumpster like I used to have at my old apartment. I'm gonna take out the trash. This is my new responsibility as a homeowner. It's a great time. It's like a little workout. I need to put the Crocs in sport mode, so please hold number 2 of 3. And last but not least, number 3 of 3. Another thing on my to-do list today, my father got me a little night light, and I'm gonna set it up just like in the kitchen in this little wall outlet in case like I need to get some water or something late at night and I don't want to like turn on all the big bright lights. This is a perfect little night light. Who would have thought? Such exciting things. Let's go test it out. Put it right here. I feel like that's a winner. I don't know where the sensor is to make it glow, but we'll find out tonight. I decided to sit down and make a to-do list because you guys know I love the satisfaction of crossing stuff off, especially when it's a cleaning day. So we're gonna do a little list and then my laundry just finished, so I'm gonna swap it over to the dryer. We're gonna keep on cleaning. I have a feeling I'm gonna start my Narwhal Flow so that I can have my floors get cleaned while I'm unpacking my suitcase for my trip so that I can get more done more efficiently.
Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, 'cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, 'cause I see more light when
All right, you guys, we are officially back from the grocery store. I got the fridge fully restocked. It's looking way nicer. We've got a lot more options here. I seriously don't know how it's already 4 p.m. This day is going by so fast. That is why I'm so excited to be working with Narwhal to feature their new product, the Narwal Flow. It is a revolutionary floor washing vacuum robot. This is the entire docking station. You guys know I used to have a robot vacuum, but it didn't have like the mopping feature. But you guys, this thing is sick. I'm gonna take it out. It may wake up and talk to us. Check out how large this mop is. It's so awesome. It also is self-cleaning and it's powered by AI. See its cute little eyes and face right here? This scans your entire house to get a layout of where everything is. It literally memorizes and avoids over 200 objects. It's so cool. I can just like set this from my phone and this dude can just roll and mop and vacuum and clean my floors while I'm doing other stuff. And it comes back to its little charging station and it cleans itself. I'm so excited to be working with them because I honestly think this product is such a game changer just to keep up with like the daily cleaning, because that's definitely something in home ownership that I really wasn't expecting. I try not to wear my shoes in the house, but like my dad's always in here working, wearing his shoes. We've got like dirty stains all over the floor. There's like food scraps and debris because there's trees everywhere. The floors are looking pretty dirty. Personally, like I don't really have time to ever mop my floors. Like it's something that I just never get to. So the fact that this lovely Narwhal Flow can just do that for me is really exciting. I'm gonna link the product down below as well as any other information. So if you guys are interested, you guys can check them out. And then I'm gonna show you how this thing works in my space and how it keeps it clean. The other thing that's really awesome about it is that it's got super powerful suction power as well as technology that avoids like hair clogging up the brush when it cleans carpets and stuff. And you guys know I have long hair. Like my hair sheds like no other. I used to have to spend so long cutting the hair out of my old robot vacuum. So I'm really excited that this literally has technology to avoid that because it just is a waste of time. The whole point of having a robot vacuum is that it does the stuff for you. Okay, let's open up our app and get this thing started. Okay, so here is my Narwhal Flow. See, this is literally the map of my house. It's so cool that it's able to track everything. It's also able to like get into all these corners perfectly because it knows where it's going, and it avoids things like the couch and the bed and the toilet. So we're gonna do a vacuum and then mop, and we're gonna start cleaning. Start now.
Brio Smart Vacuum and Mop Start.
Sick. I think I'm gonna probably move some of these chairs because I want it to get under the table, and I'm just gonna provide a few less obstacles for my little friend. While he's doing his little cleaning party, I'm gonna start putting away the dishes and folding the laundry, things like that, the rest of the stuff on the to-do list. This is what's so cool. You can see he just like went back in to fill with water so that he can get hot water to mop the floors. It's really awesome. This stuff also has like detergent in it too, so it's literally cleaning the floors. Right now my app is saying washing mop pads with the hot water, so then it's all ready to go to do its vacuum and mop. Oh, it literally knows like where the rugs are. You can see the texture of exactly the outline of where I have carpet, so it knows when to switch over to its next mode.
I I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So now, yeah, I'm done making my mind up now, cause you've been spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth.
Go.
I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you.
Okay, let's go look for our Narwhal Flow while we get our lint roller, because I think I tracked him and he's in here. He's cleaning away. Oh my god, he's literally cleaning the tiniest little cavity right here. You go. You're crushing it, dude. Don't let me distract. Casually gonna get a lint roller out of here.
I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah.
Okay, we've been tracking the progress of our Narwhal Flow. He's hit the master bedroom, the secondary bedroom, and my office, and the hallway too. So I think now he's hitting the bathrooms, and then he'll come back to the living room and the kitchen for the final hurrah. This is how he does his little water change out. Oh yeah, I think it is exchanging the water. Let's see if he gets my dust bunnies here. Yeah, it's getting it. Okay, this is not fully organized, but we're slowly making our way there. That'll work. Okay, our Narwhal is doing me big favors by cleaning my bathroom floor, and I'm gonna clean the rest of the bathroom now because I already made my bed and did all of my laundry and put it away. So we're kind of on a roll, and I have exactly 30-ish minutes before I have to go meet my friend for dinner. So we're gonna keep on rolling through our to-do list and get the bathrooms nice and shiny.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she...
Okay, our Narwhal Flow is washing the mop pads with hot water and cleaning them for the final challenge, which is my disgusting kitchen. Look at every single room it's hit. It's actually like wildly impressive that you can track it. And I love that it doesn't like suck up cords or anything. Like it literally is reading the room while it's cleaning, which is so amazing. It has been cleaning for almost 2 hours and it's 80% done, which is pretty amazing because that's like 2 hours of my own time that it's saved, and it's doing a beautiful job. And meanwhile, it's given me the chance to do all the other tasks like scrubbing the toilets and putting away my laundry, making my bed, all the things, getting ready for the work week. Okay, here it comes. It's gonna clean the kitchen. My friends are gonna be here in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get ready while it's finishing cleaning the kitchen, and we're gonna go have a great rest of our night since this is all crossed off our to-do list.
Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just a
Hey guys, what is up? It has been a while since we chatted because I left you guys in my kitchen with my amazing Narwhal Flow, who was cleaning up the entire space while my friends and I were living it up outside on the boat. I wanted to wrap up this video because I finished cleaning the house just in time for my guest, my lovely Narwhal Flow, who we've named Robbie because he's robbing us of all of our cleaning jobs. I was doing the most cleaning out my space, and now my kitchen floor it's looking clean and fresh. It's so nice to have a robot vacuum that can do it all. Hit the carpet, hit the hardwood floors, the corners, avoid cords. Like I could literally leave him home alone and I trust him to do a good job. If you guys are in the market for your own little Robbie, you guys can click the link in my description box because they've got awesome products that are super powerful and really useful for every day. Now that my house is clean and I feel like my life is together, I can actually go get some work done. So I'm gonna head to the coffee shop right now and edit this video that you guys are actually watching. But I wanted to thank you guys for watching today's video. Today's question of the day is gonna be, which room is your least favorite room to clean? Mine is probably the bathroom, just because it's like, you know, a lot of work and it feels gross, but it must get done, so we do it. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in the next video. There are so many house updates. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of one of them. You can see some outdoor furniture. It's starting to exist. We have approximately 2 weeks until my housewarming party, so things are about to happen really quickly. We're gonna put some stuff on these blank walls. It's gonna be a good time. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.
In a world I don't wanna say just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow.